फ्रेंड्स, नाउ हैव समथिंग वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. व्हाट इज़ मैथोलॉजी, व्हाट इज़ ट्रूथ, आई डोंट नो. क्या फसाना क्या हकीकत, लेकिन कहते तो यही है कि ये चेतक के घोड़े के नाल के निशान हैं जो पड़ गए थे यहाँ पे जब उसने अपने पैर मारे थे. यू कैन सी इट लुक्स लाइक ए हॉर्स सैडल. एंड व्हाट इज़ ट्रूथ, व्हाट इज़ मिथ, आई डोंट नो. पर जो है यही है. बट यू कैन सी द स्टैंडिंग हाइट ऑफ दिस wall, so it's really amazing. See you. चलते हैं आगे. ये वाला गेट देखते हैं, 7वां गेट. 2-3 गेट पार कर चुके हैं अभी तक. हाथी गेट, सूरज गेट, सूरज पोल पास कर चुके हैं. ये कौन सा है, गणेश पोल आ चुके हैं हम लोग. सो वी आर इन गणेश पोल नाउ. सो इट इज़ गणेश पोल. गणेश जी की मूर्ति भी है यहाँ पे. यू सी हाउ ग्रैंड इट इज़. दिस इज़ द बेस्ट पार्ट आई लाइक इन एनी ऑफ द फोर्ट इन राजस्थान. But it is remnants of Mughal architecture or Sultanate architecture. I am from Dhanbad, Jharkhand, my dear friend.
Jharkhand?
Yes. So it is then. This is Ganesh Pole. So, hello, brother.
We are from Jodhpur.
Oh, nice meeting you, brother. So we are at Ganesh Pole. Oh, and you can see the grandeur of this place. You know, this is real grand, actually. Something is jotted out here. Either it is jotted or it is simple carving. I don't know. It is carving probably. So, but you can see the grandeur of this place. The Jharokha out there, you can see, and a window. And there is one more gate out here. First I will show it to you and then we will go somewhere else. This is
क्या व्यू, यहाँ से व्यू.
यहाँ से भी देख सकते हैं. तो let them complete it first. ये कुछ व्यूज़ हैं वहाँ पे. लेडीज़ लोग गई हैं. We will go after them. पहले इधर देख लेते हैं. You see the Jharokha out here. This is real Indian architecture which I really love in Rajasthan actually. This is really grand. You see. And we have come to Andheri Pole. That is the gate. Andheri Pole. Similar architecture. And there are Jharokhas, the palace Jharokhas out here. This is the best thing in Rajasthan. So we'll come back and see that one. Come, chale dekhe. Come. We'll look into that. What is that? The ladies had moved from out here. It had been inappropriate. Had we been there with them, they would have thought that we are following them. But it is nothing like so. So I am coming. It's a dangerous, real dangerous place, and I will be. Oh, this is the same view, and this is what the gun point used to be. People used to shoot people through this gun point, you know. And I will show you to something. This is grand actually. You can see the down places. Lovely, lovely really. It's really lovely sight being out here. And
Selfie camera मिला है.
and if the crowd permits me, I will go that side and see what it is actually. This is also one of the remnants of gun point. You see the whole of Aravalli Valley. And the best thing about this place is the river follows by you through the road actually. It passes by with you throughout the road where you go. And see a gun point, how they used to shoot people through these points actually. Mataji. This one Mataji coming out here. So this is, we will again climb, and we'll climb faster now little because we are already shut off. Our friends, they have moved first further. Oh, that is Ganesh. कौन सा पोल है ये? That is, the name was written out here. This is Andheri Pole. We are at Andheri Pole now. You see how grand it is. And giving all offerings to God. We are climbing this place. But you see the marvelous pillars. They still resist by the time, you know. 600 years, 700 years, 1300 years. Like this, the ages are there. And ages live into the stones. And the people offering. You see how Many places have been locked out here for the security reasons. You see how people used to stay here. See the architectural remains, the stone carving. You see, it's a 3D carving actually. The finger will go from this side to that side. You see, it's a 3D carving, 3-dimensional carving. It is one of the best things that I like in Rajasthani architecture out here. And this is like a tunnel, a cave actually. That is why I think so the name would have been Andheri Pole actually. Lot of darkness out here. Not that much also, but compared to other parts it is darker. So it is. So we are here. Again Islamic architecture out here. So this Indian architecture blend of both. Again a gun point. So gun point is very common in Rajasthani architecture. The Indian architecture, that is Indo-Mughal what we call. See the gun points. There are lot many gun points out here. So we have climbed up now. And again I have joined one of my friends. See the grandeur of this place. Some places go out that side. This is World Heritage Monument. This you can see, this is red. रणथंभौर का दुर्ग राजस्थान की पर्वतीय दुर्ग श्रृंखला नामक तथा विश्व की सांस्कृतिक या प्राकृतिक धरोहर के संरक्षण कन्वेंशन द्वारा विश्व द्वारा सूची में सम्मिलित किया गया है। कोई भी ऐसे स्मारक या प्रकृति स्थलों को मानव के लाभार्थ संरक्षण के योग्य समझा गया हो का विश्व दया सूची में सम्मिलित होना उसके विशिष्ट सार्वभौमिक महत्व की पुष्टि करता है। सो इट इज़ द मैप ऑफ रणथंभौर फोर्ट। जंगली तालाब, बड़ा सागर, सुख सागर, पद्मावती तालाब। So you see Padmavati Talab is out there. Supari Mahal, Rani Talab, Hamir Palace, Rani Palace. There are many. You know what the story goes on. What I have read in history is this: ki the capture of Ranthambore was for Padmavat. What Malik Muhammad Jaisi wrote afterwards is historically controversial. Many historians say that it was not actually the Chittorgarh which he wanted to conquer, but it was Ranthambore he wanted to conquer. And historical eminence also say that this was actually Ranthambore which Alauddin Khanji wanted to capture. So there is a place, and it is actually a temple, not a place. It's actually a temple. So we will discover more. So till then I am stopping this video because it has turned into a very long one. Dagar Badalmar, Hamir Kachehri. You see, I will show you to something now that is very important and very important because it is a remnants of a past. You see, things are decaying, very much in decaying state. Hope so I don't discover a tiger out here. Oh. But it is, you see, it is a Jharokha, real Jharokha. You see, there might be tigers living out here because it is Ranthambore. But it is how the garrison would have been sometimes, or it would have been palace of some lady or so. I don't know what it was, but whatever it was, it really was grand. So I will stop the video out here. For further videos we will click in shortly.